Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students of class 9th in online study of mathematics. We all are studying polynomials and now we are on exercise 2.5. Before going to start exercise 2.5, we need to learn few identities which will help us in solving the questions of exercise 2.5. Yes, I have written already 4 identities on board. You can observe, you can see them, and we will do rest of the identities in our next videos. So our first identity is x plus y whole square. It is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Identity number 2, x minus y whole square. It is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Already you are familiar with these two identities, identity 1 and identity 2. Even with the identity number 3. Identity number 3 is x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. Now identity number 4. Although you need not to learn identity number 4, but it will help us in solving few questions. So we will just have a look on these 4 identities. Identity number 4 is having 4 types. Type number 1, when all brackets are positive. Identity number 4, type number 2, when both brackets are negative. We can observe in first type and second type that in first type the constant term is positive. Both constants are positive, and type number 2 both constants are negative. Type number 3, one constant is positive and second constant is negative. And type number 4, first constant is negative and second constant is positive. So first, according to first type, x into x, x square plus x bracket a plus b plus a into b. Identity number 2, x square minus x bracket a plus b into a into b. Identity number 4, type number 3, x square plus x into a minus b minus ab. And type number 4, x square plus x into b minus a minus ab. I told you that you need not to learn these 4 identities, identity number 4 and 4 types of this identity. You need not to learn. Why? Because we can prove them easily, and if we are doing any question, we need to do only this work in rough. What we will do, we will write the brackets x plus a into x plus b, and then we will multiply it in a general way, as we have done in class 8th, the product of algebraic expressions. We have two binomials to multiply each other. So we will take first term of the first binomial, that is equal to x. X will multiply by the second binomial, x plus b, and then we will take second term of first binomial, that is plus a. It will multiply by second bracket, that is x plus b. Now we will multiply x into x, it will become x square, and then x will multiply by b, it will into bx. Then a will multiply by x, ax, and then a will multiply by b, a into b, ab. Now we have taken x common throughout the middle two terms. So it is equal to x square plus x is common, a plus b, and then plus ab. This is the required identity number 4, type number 1. So we can prove all these properties like that. Now move on to our main topic, NCERT exercise 2.5, question number 1, first part. We have to solve x plus 4 into x plus 10. When we observe this question, we get to know that this is identity number 4, type number 1, when both the constant terms are positive. 4 is positive, 10 is positive. So we know that x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Type 1, identity number 4 we have written here. Now on comparing the given question to this identity, we get to know a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 10. Now we will put a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 10 in this identity. So here x is same plus a is equals to 4. Then multiply, bracket start, x plus b is equals to 10. So in place of b we have written 10. Now it equals to right hand side of the equation, x square plus x bracket a will replace by 4. So I have written here 4 plus b is equals to 10. So I have replaced b by 10 here, then plus a is equals to 4 multiply b is equals to 10. Now solve it. X square will be same plus x, 10 plus 4 14, 14 into x 14x plus 10 into 4 40. So the required answer is x square plus 14x plus 40. This is the solution, and on this basis we will solve such kind of identities which we have discussed on board. Second question, 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. When we observe the given question, we get to know that this is a kind of type 3 identity when first bracket is positive and second bracket is negative, or we can say the constant of the first binomial is positive and the constant term of the second binomial is negative. So we know that, and we have written type 3 identity of type 3 form of the identity number 4. On comparing these, we get to know in place of x, 3x is written here. Here we have found x, here we are found 3x. So x, on comparing, x will be equal to 3x, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. Now we will put these values in the type 3 identity. So x will replace by 3x plus a is equal to 4. So in place of a we will write 4. Then x value of x is 3x. So we will write here 3x minus b is equals to 5. So in place of b we will write 5 equals x square. X means 3x whole square plus x is 3x. We have written 3x here. Bracket open, a is equal to 4. We have written 4. Minus is minus, b is equal to 5, and then bracket closed, minus a is equals to 4. So we have replaced a by 4 here, and b is equals to 5. So we have replaced b by 5. Now solve it. 3x whole square means 3x multiply by 3x. So it will equal to 9x square plus 3x multiply 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 will be equal to minus 1, and minus 1 multiply by 3x, it is equal to minus 3x. Minus 4 into 5 minus 20. So this will be the required solution of the two questions which are based on identity number 4. First question is based on type 1 and third part is based on type 3 identity. I am giving you question number 1 and 2 to solve yourself in your homework. Rest of the identities we will study in our next videos. Thank you and Jai Hind.